So what is the value of b divided by c cubed plus, in parentheses, d minus e, if b is 24 and c is 2, d is 9, and 3 is 5, and e is 5? My goodness. So I'm going to start by writing this all out with the actual numbers replaced. So I have 24 divided by 2 cubed plus, in parentheses, and we have 9 minus 5. All right, according to order of operations, we do the part in the parentheses first. So 9 minus 5 is going to be 4. Then we would look to the part in the exponents, and I have 2 cubed. Remember that 2 cubed is not 2 times 3. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is going to be 8. So I'm going to replace that in for 8. So I have 24 divided by 8 plus 4. And I did my parentheses, I did the exponent, so my next step would be multiply and divide from left to right. I do have a multiply right here with 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 plus 4 is going to get us 7.